Hi, I'm Sarah from Baruti Cans, and today we're going to go over how to make a cute little spider. Now this spider is red, I know. I didn't have any black construction paper, but that's okay. We can use our creativity and our imaginations to make whatever color spider we want. Things that you will need. You will need one piece of colored construction paper, any color you want. If you want to make a black construction paper spider and you have it, great. If not, any color, and then an additional color for the eyes. So we also need a cup. You're going to want to find a cup with a large circle at the bottom. That's going to be the body of our spider. A pencil, a marker, glue stick, and scissors. So off we go. This time I'm going to make my spider beige. So let me show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to take my cup, place it upside down, and I'm going to trace around the base of this so that I have a circle. Then I'm going to do it one more time so that we have a front and back to our spider. Great. Now, so you see how I have these two circles. There you go, two circles. Now I'm going to cut little strips on the side of my paper. These are going to be my spider's legs. Now, a spider has 8 legs. So I'm going to cut 4 strips and then cut those in half to make 8. And if at any point I'm going too fast, you can pause this video to catch up. See? 1 strip. 2 strips. 3 strips. And 4. And you want to try and make them a similar width. But if they're a little off, that's okay. Then I'm going to take both my strip of paper, fold it in half, and crease it on that half. Then I'm going to open it up, and you see how we can still see where that crease is? I'm going to cut at that crease so that I'm cutting it right in half. Now I've made 1 strip into 2 legs. So I'm going to do that for each strip. Fold it in half, find my crease, and cut on the crease. Since we're using scissors, you might want to ask mom and dad to make sure that you've got scissors that are just right for you. Maybe not the big kitchen scissors, right? Okay. And 1 more. Fold in half, find that crease, and cut in half. Now I have 8 different legs for my spider. I'm going to set those aside. Now we're going to come back to our circles. And I'm going to cut out my circles. I'm going to go very slowly so that I make sure that I'm following the line and cutting in a complete, nice, smooth circle. Again, if you want to pause the video right here, if you need a little bit more time cutting, that is okay. There, 1 circle. And cut out the next one. This paper, actually, if you can tell, it's got another color on the back. But I think I want to go with my beige. Oops. See, even I mess up sometimes. Okay, so I've got 2 circles for the body of my spider. Let's set those aside. Now, on a different color paper, I'm going to figure out what shape I want my eyes to be. So I think I want one of his eyes to be a triangle, and the other one a circle. Now, if you see that, I just traced them out. Some spiders have more than 2 eyes. So maybe this guy has a 3rd eye and it's just another circle. I don't know, maybe you can make your spider however you want. So I'm going to take my scissors again and now cut out the little eyes that I've cut. Again, going very slowly, watching my fingers so that I don't get those in the scissors. We don't want that. Okay, there's an eye. And they don't have to be perfect. Just whatever shape you want. It can be an abstract shape that we've never seen before. And one last eye. Okay. Oh, that one's a little crazy looking. Might have to trim him. There. So now I have 3 eyeballs. And you can make 2 eyeballs, 3 eyeballs, 5 eyeballs, whatever you want to do. Now we get to put our spider together. So you're going to take one of your spider bodies. I'm going to put it on this side because it's the color that I don't want to use. But if yours is the same color on both sides, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to put it flat on my surface, and I'm going to take my spider legs, and I'm going to do 4 spider legs on one side and 4 spider legs on the other side. So I take my glue stick, and I just put a little dot of glue on the very end and put it on. And I do that for all 8 of my legs. All 8. If you need to pause the video while you glue on your legs, that is a-okay. All right, my last leg is about to go on. Now, I'm going to take my spider and I'm going to put a line of glue right down the middle and on here a little bit as well. Because then I'm going to take the other half of my spider and glue him right on top. There. Kind of looks like a sun right now, right? Okay. Next step is to add our eyeballs. And I'm going to, since I have a permanent marker, I'm going to put this on a safe surface so that it doesn't leak behind. And I'm just going to draw some little dots on my eyes to make them look like eyeballs. So I'm going to draw a circle, and I'm almost going to fill in the whole circle. So let me show you. See how I left that little bit of white? I'm going to do that to every one. Ooh, they're tiny little eyeballs. Okay. Now I'm going to take my spider back and I'm going to glue on some eyeballs. I think I want to be the front of him. So I'm going to get my glue stick, put glue on the back of the eyeball, and set it on there. Same with the other 2. I'm going to do circle, triangle, circle. Maybe I should have them all look in the same way, right? And let's give him a little smiley face. After all, he is a happy spider. Now, one last step. So this is pretty flat, right? And spiders don't look like that. So with each leg, I'm going to fold in half again, just like we did. Fold in half and make a crease. And then this little bit, I'm gonna fold it out so that he has a little foot. And I'm gonna do that with all of my legs. So I fold in half, open it back up, and then give him a foot. Fold in half, open it back up, give him a foot. Fold in half, open it back up, give him a foot. And now we do the other side. Fold in half, open back up, give him a foot. Fold in half, open back up, give him a foot. Fold in half, open back up, give him a foot. Fold in half, open back up, give him a foot. Yeah, now he can stand. So there we go. There is our little spider. Hope you had fun.